Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to make a Sausage McMuffin that's better than McDonald's. Let's get to the video. First thing you're going to want to get is some sausage, of course. Let's get some cheese out of here. Going with the cheddar. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and get your pan hot. I'm going to put this on about 4 or 5, about medium heat. You want to kind of make it big because this thing's going to shrink. So I'm going to go in about right here. Plus I'm kind of a big guy. Alright, let's flatten that out real good. You got to just keep in mind that this is going to shrink and you want it to fit good on your English muffin. So that's about right. I'm going to put this back. I'm going to swap this out. I'm going to go with 2 slices. Why not make it 3 just in case? Okay. We're going to need this. And we're going to need an English muffin. I'm going to check my sausage. Okay, it's not sticking. That's good. Let me do a little flip. That's looking good. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do, just to prep, go ahead and get this cut apart. Alright. And we're going to prep that in the toaster. Just get that ready for later. Okay, so this is just about ready. We're going to go ahead and add the cheese. And we're going to cover that with a lid. This pan didn't come with a lid, so I'm just using a different one. A little bit smaller, but nobody's going to care. And while that's melting, we're going to go ahead and start this. As soon as that gets done, we'll build it up, and it'll be ready. Check on this. That looks perfect. Slap a little butter on there. Alright. And there you have it. Better than Mickey D's.